Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to fix the clipboard not working problem on Windows 11. The clipboard is a core Windows feature that allows you to copy and paste text, images, and files effortlessly on your PC. When it stops working in Windows 11, even simple tasks can become frustrating and time consuming. Clipboard issues may occur due to multiple factors like temporary glitches, outdated system files, disabled clipboard history, or even background services not responding properly. Thankfully, there's some pretty handy fixes to get rid of this annoying problem and bring the clipboard back on track with ease. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to restart Windows Explorer on your PC. Note that a temporary system glitch can cause the clipboard to stop responding. Reinstalling Windows Explorer often fixes this instantly. To do so, launch Task Manager on your PC by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys at once. And then you have to head over to the Processes tab and locate Windows Explorer. After that, you have to right click on it and choose Restart. Your screen may flicker briefly, which is normal. Once Windows Explorer reloads, try copying and pasting again to check if the issue is resolved. Then I will recommend you to enable Clipboard History on your PC. If Clipboard History is disabled, some copy-paste functions may not work as expected. Just head over to the Settings app on your PC and then choose System in the left sidebar. After that, select Clipboard. Now make sure that the Clipboard History toggle is turned on. After enabling it, press Windows plus V to confirm that the Clipboard panel opens properly. This feature also lets you manage multiple copied items. After that, I will recommend you to wipe out the entire clipboard cache on your PC. Note that corrupted clipboard data can also prevent new items from being copied or pasted correctly. So press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog on your PC. And then you have to type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open the command prompt as administrator. Then you have to enter the following command and press Enter. This clears the clipboard cache on your PC. Once done, close command prompt and test the clipboard again. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your PC. If the clipboard is still not working on your PC, I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the clipboard from functioning properly. So just head over to the Settings app on your PC and then you have to choose Windows Update tab located in the left sidebar. After that, click on Check for Updates. If updates are available, download and install them by following the usual process, and then you have to restart your PC. And that's about it. Clipboard issues in Windows 11 are usually caused by minor system problems and can be fixed without third-party tools. Restarting Windows Explorer, enabling the clipboard history and clearing the clipboard cache and keeping Windows up to date are the most reliable solutions. Hopefully, these tips have helped you overcome the hurdle, and now the clipboard has started to work like a charm on your PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.